The keyboard backspace does not work. Enter works.
God damn it. I didn't mean to put Ubuntu on this.
Hey guys! So I have a ThinkPad X260 with a Japanese keyboard. And I think so I picked up the thing slightly wrong. That's why it shut off. So it turns on. The battery's flat. The battery's flat. You know, power sorted. Yep, there you go. Windows showing up. But this top screen will eventually get another video doing the bottom half of this first. And that might do in the way in the future if this is gonna be profitable. But I get a screen for it, and yeah, so you can see all works, all lovely, jubbly, no issues. You know, test, all works, cool. The keyboard backspace does not work. Enter works. In theory, I could just change the keyboard, but I said screw it. I got the whole top housing because it has so much already. Unplug the bat. Open the package. There you go. It could be better package. You know, whatever. Oh, it has the red nub. Okay, I'm happy. It has a red nub. Oh, it has a fingerprint scanner too. Nice. So it's an actual overall an upgrade to what I had before. Oh, cool. Also, it's a card reader. Okay, I'm literally upgrading this thing from. Okay, nice. Okay. I'm actually kind of pumped for this now. The power button, is it in the same place at least? Hold on. Yeah, is the power button in the same place? That's my more important question right now. So now I need to tear this thing down to its bare components. We have lights. Hey, the keyboard lights up. That's good. That's good. But does the screen work? Probably training because I unplugged the battery. Hey, there you go. I really want to see the fingerprint scanner work. That's the one. It actually feels so much better. Like the original housing, top housing, it actually feels so much better now. Okay, ooh, that actually feels much more nicer than the. Oh, hold on, this is some oh, it is a Chinese thing. Oh wow, okay, this feels so much better than this. This feels like a grippy ass. Like, okay, a real test. First. Keyboard lights up. Keyboard, yes, keyboard lights up. Test. Ooh! I can actually use it now properly. Does it see Wi-Fi? Good. It does see Wi-Fi. Does it see the fingerprint scanner? Sign in options. Fingerprint scanner. Currently unavailable. Couldn't find a capable hello. Okay, so I need to download the drivers and reinstall Windows on this. But it actually works. I'm so happy. This looks so much better now. I just need to buy. Yeah, I need to buy a new top housing because this is too mint to having a shoddy top housing. And yeah. Oh, the keyboard feels like keyboard feels so much nicer than a Chinese fake keyboard. Like they tried to replicate it, but they failed to do. The keyboard feels so much nicer now. Oh, I love it. But yeah,
So while editing this video, I want to remember that I forgot to record the update on this if the fingerprint scanner works. As I wish to believe, and I know for a fact because I use this computer now quite a lot, this would have. God damn it. I didn't mean to put Ubuntu on this. I guess this was the one I said. Screw it, this could be my Ubuntu machine. As you can see, there's a different OS than a Windows from before. But yeah, but the fingerprint scanner does work, and I know that because I used it. So yeah, that's the update I want to give you. I didn't buy a new screen yet, but I think so. Next video on this is gonna be how funny thing is. So we're gonna be buying a new batteries and the screen. Next video on this thing, if you're gonna see this next time.
thank you for watching to the end of the video. Next on, whatever YouTube thinks is important. And here, you can subscribe, or you can scroll down for more information, like our link tree, or Discord server, or whatever we think important to you to see.